Yes, may I please have two Big Macs, no pickles,
I'm
ex.
sorry, what did you say, sir?
May I please have two Big Macs, no pickles, extra onions, extra mac sauce, and a small fry.
Did I put your order, sir?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you pull around for me?
All right. Hi there.